This is currently our flow in moving and tracking the progress from cold leads to warm leads up until the recording schedule. Let's say we have this cold lead mutual guest and has replied and expressed interest. What our team will do is we will update the type of response as interested and would like to proceed. The lead will then be automatically transferred into the guest list, which are warm leads or guests that were added by a host, producer, or executive. This icon indicates that we are actively in contact with the lead in finding and arranging an available time for a meet and greet with the host or producer. Once a date and time is decided, we will update the status into scheduled for meet and greet. And we enter the date and time into the operating system. Let's say on the 27th, just for an example. And then we are going to paste the episode notes here. Let's say episode notes here. Click on schedule a meet and greet in Google Calendar event, and a form to help us create a Google Calendar event will appear. The title, description, attendees, and all other fields are all auto-populated, but editable in case we need to do some changes. Let's check the title, okay, the description, okay. Since this is a demo video, I'm just going to send the invitations to myself. Attendees, okay, start and end is okay. Let's save. And a Google Calendar event is created without us having to leave the PodText operating system. To verify that, let's go to our PodText calendar. And here on the 27th is the created meet and greet event. We have here the title, the attendees, the description, where we have the episode notes and some promotional YouTube videos, and a reminder for the host or producer what to do after the meet and greet. Since this is a meet and greet, let's add a Google Meet video and save. Aside from creating the Google Calendar event, AppSheet also um, will send an email to the guest. Let's pull out my email since I use this email for my example. And here is the invitation. Let's say yes. Now let's go back to AppSheet. Let's say, for example, that the meet and greet is today. Let's take a look from a host or producer's perspective. As a host or producer, here is what I can see in the albums. I can see the upcoming recordings and meet and greets. I have here October 27th. Let's assume that is today. And here are the details. And here is the shortcut to the Google Calendar event for the meet and greet. Let's say the meet and greet is done and it went well. Here is a reminder for me. Please use the provided link below to formally confirm the outcome of the guest meet and greet. You have the option to select either the green check mark, proceed as guest, or red cross mark, do not proceed as guest. I will click on this link, and in this view, I can update the status of the guest. So I'm going to mark proceed as guest, and after doing that, let's take a look from a guest perspective. Let's go to my inbox. It's right here. I received an email. Choose a recording schedule, and I can click on this link and I can choose the my preferred or the agreed recording schedule. Let's say on Tuesday 1 a.m. Book close. Let's take a look at my calendar. And here is my schedule for the recording.